Public speaking is hard, and talking to a screen or camera, even harder. I'm going to be conducting a webinar where I'll be sharing some very simple tips and tricks on how to be a more effective speaker, especially online. And joining me in this webinar will be a couple of industry experts. Sunny Singh, who has over 17 years of experience in the music and sound production industry and is the owner of a professional sound studio in Mumbai. And Leslie Hooper, an online diet, fitness and weight loss coach with over 76,000 followers just on Instagram. I'm Simona Terron, and I'm going to be conducting this webinar on the 4th of July, Saturday at 4 p.m. I hope I see you there.